Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to my tutorial, how to know which notes are flat in major keys. After this lesson, you should be able to tell which notes are flat in a major key with 100% accuracy. There are 7 keys that begin with a natural note, and there are 5 keys that begin with a flat note. Any other major keys are variations of these. The major keys that have flat notes in them are A flat, B flat, D flat, E flat, F, and G flat. Flats appear in major keys in this order: B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat, and G flat. If a key has one flat, that note is B flat, as in the key of F major. F major is played this way: F, G, A, B flat, C, D, E, F. If a major key has 2 flats, as in the key of B flat major, the notes would be B flat and E flat. B flat, C, D, E flat, F, G, A, B flat. If a major key has 3 flats, the notes that are flat would be B flat, E flat, A flat, as in the key of E flat. E flat, F, G, A flat, B flat, C, D, E flat. If a major key has 4 flats, the notes are going to be B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat, as in A flat, which is played this way: A flat, B flat, C, D flat, E flat, F, G, A flat. And finally, if there are 5 flats in a major key, those 5 flat notes are B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat, and G flat, as in D flat major, which is D flat, E flat, F, G flat, A flat, B flat, C, D flat. So the order in which the notes appeared was B first, E, A, D, and then G, and these notes were flatted. To remember this, you can remember it as a word like bead G, or you can think of the group the Bee Gees, and that will help you to remember the order in which flats appear in keys. That's B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat, and G flat. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.